Clifford Law has a great deal of experience in transportation cases. We are very active in litigation against the trucking industry. The trucking industry is operated by some folks who do it right, and quite frankly, there are some companies that are not. And the injuries and the death and mayhem that can be caused in a trucking accident is just unspeakable. The depth of experience that my team has in handling these cases is extraordinary. There are other capable lawyers out there. We're certainly not the only ones, but you're not going to find anyone better.